Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make video and photo collage on Instagram story. Once on Instagram, you can pull it to the left to go onto Instagram story, or you can tap on the plus at the bottom of the page. After doing that, you're going to select story. Once you have selected story, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on the gallery icon in the bottom left hand corner, right where you see photo. You'll tap right there and you can select the video that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this video. So I'll just select the video. Then you're going to tap on done in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to use two fingers and you're just going to pinch the video to the size that you would like it to be. Then you can use two fingers also and you can move the video wherever you want on the screen. After doing that, you're going to tap right where you see the sticker icon at the top, right beside the capital and common A. Then you can select photo and you can select the photo that you would like to use. After selecting the photo, you can also adjust the size of the photo and you can move it wherever you want. And you could add more photos by tapping on the sticker icon once more. And from there, you could select a different photo for example's sake. And I can move it down right there as you can see. So that's how I'll be able to create it. Once you're finished doing this and it is to your liking, you'll tap on your story and you can upload it, or you could choose to add background music or audio if you want by tapping on the music icon in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.